Are you tired of digging through hundreds of OneDrive photos to find the one you need? Learn how to tag them in 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type. Just follow these simple steps. So the first thing you want to do is open up OneDrive and head over to the Photos section. Now, why the Photos section? Because this is where OneDrive actually lets you use tags. If you're just looking at your files in a regular folder view, that tagging option won't be there. So click on Photos. It's usually on the left-hand side. Once you're there, you'll see all your images laid out in a grid. All right, now click on any photo you want to tag. Just give it a single click. This will open the photo in a larger preview. And here's the thing, this is the view where all the magic happens. The tag option lives in this preview window, so don't double-click to open it in a separate program or anything. Keep it right here inside OneDrive. Now, look for the Add Tag option. You'll see it near the top of the photo, usually just above the image itself. It looks like a little label icon, or it might just say Add Tag in plain text. Give that a click. And I've tested this on a bunch of different accounts, so trust me, it's always in the same spot. So here's where you finally type your tag. Just start typing whatever makes sense to you. Maybe it's vacation, family, receipts, dog photos, whatever helps you find it later. Then hit enter. That's it. The tag saves instantly. You don't have to click a save button or anything. And now, if you ever need to find that photo again, you can just search for that tag in the OneDrive search bar and it'll pop right up. And that's really all there is to it. In about 30 seconds, you've turned a messy photo library into something you can actually search through. No more scrolling endlessly or guessing which folder you put something in. You just tag as you go, and finding anything later becomes instant. Give it a try on your next batch of photos. You'll wonder why you didn't start doing this sooner.